Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Tipalti affiliate email templates and automations. To begin uninstalling Tipalti affiliate email templates and automations, first, log into your Tipalti account. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates section on the dashboard. In the Templates section, find the specific email template you wish to uninstall. Click on the template name to open its details. Review the template content to ensure you have selected the correct one. Next, look for the option to delete or uninstall the template. This option is typically located at the bottom or top of the template details page. Click on the Delete or Uninstall button. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm that you wish to proceed with the uninstallation. After confirming, the template will be removed from your account. Now, proceed to the Automations section of the dashboard. In the Automation section, locate the automation related to the email template you just uninstalled. Click on the automation name to access its settings. Verify that this is the automation you want to uninstall. Look for the Delete or Disable option for the automation. Click on this option to initiate the uninstallation process. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the automation is removed. Once you have confirmed, the automation will be uninstalled from your account. Finally, review your remaining templates and automations to ensure everything is set as desired. This concludes the process of uninstalling Tipalti affiliate email templates and automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.